What's going on, everybody? I'm Brett Seeley. This is...
I'm Amy Dangerfield.
And we are in Kihei, Hawaii. No, where are we? Wailea. We are in Wailea, Hawaii.
Same thing, 96753. Let's go.
Today we're going to show you how to properly lube up a model. Favorite thing to use is this olive oil spray from... Pronounce that.
I think you can get this at your local Safeway or pretty much anywhere. Probably cost you $1.
So tell the audience what we're going to do.
Today I'm going to get oiled up.
Yeah.
It's not something that I'm not used to.
Professional?
Yeah, but I'm excited to see your method.
It's a very special technique.
Is it? Yeah.
This is definitely the secret sauce. This is what a lot of fitness, glam, sexy fit type people use. It goes on really nice.
Nice finish.
Yeah. I'll drop a link to this down in the description. I highly recommend using this for your next shoot.
Use our 10% code.
Oh, I wish. Not sponsored. But hey, y'all, if you want to sponsor me, I got a dope well, not this model. I got a dope model coming later. I'm just kidding. Now, she's all right. Be sure to stay until the end so you can learn a whole bunch of stuff. We'll be shooting this little young lady. She's from Australia. Yeah?
I am from Australia, yes.
Yeah, she's going to teach you how to say cuss words in Aussie.
Yeah.
Like take a piss out.
I was going to say something far worse, but
Do it.
no.
No, go ahead.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you can totally bleep it out.
Yeah.
But in Australia, the word cunt is actually a term of endearment. If you like someone, you say that word to them.
I'm not saying that to her. Ain't no way I'm going to call her that word. You crazy.
In Australia, if you're a mad cunt or a sick cunt, it's good. You just don't want to be a shit cunt. That would be very bad.
I can't do a job.
I still can't.
Ain't no way I'm gonna call it a mad cunt. What'd you say?
Yeah. You did. You just did.
No, I asked you a question.
I liked it. Thank you.
No.
If you guys go to Australia now, you're going to be thoroughly equipped because if someone says that to you, at least you won't take it in offense now. You'll be like, he likes me. That's good.
All right. All right, stay tuned, cunts. No, that's so wrong. I can't do it. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna get slapped. Hey, for real. I'm gonna show you some dope stuff because I think she's got just a little bit of energy. These shoots are gonna be fire, you know?
I have an energy.
You have energy, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I like your energy also.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm a dope.
I haven't heard that one, but it still worked, almost.
All right, stay. Oh, is that how you do it in Australia? What are you doing? Dope. All right, guys, a lot of questions I get from the YouTube channel are, how do I lube somebody up? Especially when you're talking with the model. You know, how do you lube up the sensitive areas, the middle of the chest, the side of the chest, inner thigh, the back, the glutes? How do you lube up? Well, I'm gonna show you how to lube up properly. Ready to lube?
I'm ready to get lubed. Let's go. Are you ready to get lubed? First thing you want to do, you want to shake it up real good because you don't want it to be too oily. You want to shake it up. You don't want to be standing too close. You don't want to be standing too far. We're going to be a healthy distance from each other, like so. Your stance is important too. You don't want to lose footing, especially on the beach. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot something. The other thing you want to do, you want to test for wind direction. So, help me out. I think we're going to need to face the other way. Take two. Yes, embrace it. Oh, turn around. Turn around, okay. Bend, bend, bend. Bend. Usually this wouldn't be considered professional, but we need to work with our environment and it's very windy. And as you can tell, it just gives you that nice, healthy glow. Natural, $2, olive oil. Use my $10 promo code in the caption below. It makes a difference, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Alright guys, so if you learned something today, I want you to click like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you're updated on any videos that we do in the future. Because let's be frank, you're not going to want to miss anything like this again, right? So we're gonna hold hands and then turn around and like walk really fierce, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna say turn around, ready? 1, 2, 3, turn around. I need to give you a little bit of a life hack right now. Show me what you got. Let's see what we're working with to start with. Let's see. Go, show me what you got. Just what have you got? Show me what you got. No, okay, that's terrible. Okay, so we're gonna start from square one. Okay, now what you wanna do, first loosen the hips. Just get them loose, just loosen them up a bit. Now I want you to work the arms. The arms start to come up a little. And now I want you to spell your name with your hips. Here, spell A, spell my name, A, and then M. Why? Do you not know my name? You forgot my name already? That's so rude.
Amy.
Really? It's literally one of the easiest names. Okay. Well, let's spell your name then. Show me how you would do your name.
I don't know how I'm making a T and an H.
T.
I feel like I'm making a hip thrust when I think.
Yeah, that's the point. Do it. This is a life hack for any of you bad dancers out there. Spell your name with your hips. A, M.
How you feel?